Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You shut the phone down immediately and remove the case and SIM tray so nothing shifts. Once done, place the device on a microfiber surface and keep the screen protected. You want 90% isopropyl, a plastic pry card, dental floss, and a small syringe ready. Avoid metal picks because they scratch and can damage sensors. Start by trying to slide a plastic card gently around the magnet edge to create a tiny gap you can exploit with dental floss. You apply a couple drops of isopropyl at the perimeter and wait 30 to 60 seconds so the solvent penetrates adhesive. Once soaked, feed dental floss under the gap and use a gentle sawing motion while pulling horizontally. This minimizes leverage on the phone. Make sure to keep the floss flat and move slowly. Rushing bends the chassis. If the magnet shifts, keep steady pressure and small movements. If you hear structural creaks or feel resistance increase, stop and reassess to avoid damage. You finish by cleaning adhesive residue with isopropyl on a microfiber swab, working away from ports and speaker openings. Once clean, reinstall the SIM tray and case, power the phone on, and test compass, wireless charging, sensors, and speakers to confirm nothing shifted. If the magnet won't release, try a short low-heat pass from a hairdryer for 10 to 15 seconds to soften glue, then repeat. If it still resists or you notice damage, stop and take the device to a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.